Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting seminar presentation on Internet Key Exchange in Network Security. My name is Srinita. I am from BRR Women's College, MSc CS, second year, third sem. Today we discuss about Internet Key Exchange. It describes in the RFC 2409 used for key management in IP-second networks, allows automatic negotiation and creation of SAs between SC peer-to-peer authentication. In this we discuss about how the sender and receiver will communicate network with each other. In introduction, Internet Key Exchange is a standard protocol used to set up a secure and authenticated communication channel between two parties via an virtual private network. Internet Key Exchange is a secure key exchange management protocol used to set up a secure communication between two devices. When two devices are communicate with each other, the communication will be secure. If we take host 1 and host 2, we will exchange the information about two parties and it will be secure. In the protocol ensures security of VPN negotiation, remote host and network access. It will be secure in two host 1 and host 2 parties. It will communicate information with each other. Types of Internet Key Exchange. In the Internet Key Exchange consist mainly two types. They are manual key exchange, automated key exchange. Manual key exchange. In manual key exchange, the system administrator manually configures each system with their keys. In this manual key exchange, it will configure each system. If we communicate with sender and receiver, the system administrator does the keys between two parties. It will take the host 1 keys and host 2 keys and they communicate the keys with each other and they manage the information between them. This method is suitable for only small and static system, just between two people communication, and three. Automated key exchange. The keys will be created or generated based on the demand and requirement. This method is suitable for large and distributed system. Automated exchange mainly consists of two types. In the automated key exchange, it will be generated according to demand configuration about their keys. When they are required for large and distributed systems, it will be not used. It will use the keys between more than one receiver and sender. In these automated key exchange, we have two types mainly: Oakley protocol and ISKMP. In Oakley protocol defines the mechanism for key exchange over the key internet key exchange section. Determine ESP keying material for each IP second and SA automatically. By default, it uses an authenticated Diffie-Hellman algorithm for key exchange. In Oakley protocol is based on the Diffie-Hellman exchange with some added security and generic protocol. It did not use for another key exchange. It can be used for some specific purpose in the key management. ISKMP protocol means it expands as Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol, establishes a security management section between IP second peers, negotiate SAs between IP second peers. In these, provides a framework for key exchange. It will be exchange keys between sender and receiver and provides a protocol for a specific support. It will be used for specific support for key management. In this Internet Key Exchange, this protocol is done in two phases with authentication protocol. Diffie-Hellman protocol. The parties agrees on two non-secret numbers G generated and P module where G is small and P is very large. Each party generates a random secret X based on GP and X. Each party generates a public value Y equal to G power X mod P. IPsec needs essays to protect traffic. It will be used communication between two parties. In essays is used to protect traffic. If no essays are in place, IPsec will ask Internet Key Exchange to provide IPsec essays. Internet Key Exchange opens a management section with prevalent peer-to-peer means uh, the author the management between two parties exchanging the keys and negotiates all the essays and keying materials for IPsec. In IPsec protects the traffic between the two management keys. Out in IPsec and internet key exchange, IPsec and internet key exchange relationship. Outbound packet from A to B. No, if we have A's laptop and B's laptop, IPsec will IPsec will generated IP internet key exchange of A and IPsec of B will exchange internet key. Both the two will generate IP section internet key exchange section. A's like begins negotiation with B's. If the B will exchange A will exchange the key of IPsec of internet key exchange. B does not exist. If negotiation complete A and B, now we have to complete essays in place. If we exchange both the keys, in these we will not place essays. Packet is sent from A and B protected in IPsec essays. If the both packet is sent from IP of A and IP of B, it will be generated essays. In the internet key exchange phases, there are two modes. In the SAKMP protocol, internet key exchange has two phases. Internet key exchange phase uses main or aggressive mode exchange negotiates internet key exchange essays. In the first phase, people will sender and receiver exchange the proposal for security services. It may be encryption algorithm authentication etc. If we take A and B, X proposal encrypted algorithm and Y proposal they will exchange the both information and propose one solution to common algorithm. Agreement will be done in both the communication between A and B. When both ends the tunnel agree to accept a set of security parameters, the phase 1 has been completed. In phase 1 we have two types, they are main mode and aggressive mode. We discuss about internet key exchange of phase 2. It uses quick mode exchange negotiate IPsec SS. Once the participant established a secured channel in phase 1, they move to phase 2. We have a security associated and negotiated, decided to use AH or ESP algorithms and also select their algorithm by their own decision. Phase 2 always operates quick mode. It will uses in phase 2 next security association and negotiation. Phase 1 phase In phase 1 we discuss about authentication method, tree shade keys, digital signature, public key encryption, group discretion and group types. In phase 2 group discussion, encryption algorithm, key length, key rounds, group discussion, life duration, encapsulation mode. Peer-to-peer authentication to establish the Internet Key Exchange essays peer to have authenticated between two keys exchange each other. There are three types mechanism: pre-shared keys, RS encrypted ones, RS signatures. Internet Key Exchange section encryption. In Internet Key Exchange encryption, encrypted either by DS or 3DS. Keying material is generally derived from initial DS change. In mode, peer identical is also encrypted. Other aspects of Internet Key Exchange, it will interact between two network protocols, error handling, protocol management, legacy authentication. Thank you.